Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Ethereum on Binance. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. This involves registering with your email or phone number and then completing the essential identity verification process, also known as KYC. For added security, always enable two-factor authentication. This crucial step protects your account with an extra layer of defense, ensuring your assets are safe from unauthorized access. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. Binance offers several convenient ways to deposit money. You can use traditional methods like a bank transfer or a debit card to deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Alternatively, if you already own other cryptocurrencies, you can easily transfer them into your Binance wallet to use for your purchase. Now that your account is funded, you are ready to buy Ethereum. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you will select Ethereum, often abbreviated as ETH, and choose your desired payment method. Simply enter the specific amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase, review the details, and then confirm your order to complete the transaction. After successfully purchasing, your Ethereum will be securely stored in your Binance Spot wallet. For long-term security, many users choose to transfer their ETH to a personal hardware wallet, offering an extra layer of protection. Binance also provides various opportunities to grow your assets, such as staking your Ethereum or exploring other earning programs available on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.